Hello, good morning. It's the Monday, April 18th, and I wish everybody will have a happy Easter Monday today. And today I wish to talk about a little trick in Python for 3.x and above, and it's called assignment operator. Very often that in my programming, I use special code to represent certain further action to done if a variable is given with this kind of my own way of highlighting something. But of course, that even in your work, you may also have something that you want to test it, but want to extract it at the same time. The first one is to test it. Suppose that I want to test whether this variable is surrounded by something with a curly braces. Then I will test it this way. Very simple. And okay, we run it and test it. Yes, it match. Let's say if not so, suppose only one, it print nothing. It not match. But only to test the matching, but we also want extraction. So the second one becomes like this. We test whether the pattern match the variable. If yes, then I want to extract it using regular expression. Okay, so we get the variable extracted out from the curly braces. Okay, so far so good. It's good, and but if you look at it, you see that we have actually repeat something, isn't it? And in programming, we hate very much repetition. We don't want to repeat anything. So how can we do it? Now we found that very useful um, feature now in the Python 3.x and above, that we can combine two things together. We can actually remove all this and come with that. In other words, we can remove all this. We can forget it. Put it somewhere here. Okay, we can remove everything, and now we have this. We get a variable, and we test it whether it match. If yes, I can just reuse this variable, which is already memorizing this expression, and we reuse it and print it. Yeah, we got it. So, if it's missing something, okay, maybe we can put an else statement, print. Again, I'm using Emacs abbreviation. And A is not what I want. Yeah, it's not what I want. So, okay, so in conclusion, the assignment operator, the colon with that equal, I can give more space to it, can I? Let me check. Yeah, I got it. So it look now more clear. This colon and equal is called assignment operator. It's very useful because it can do two things, kill two birds in one stone. That can test a certain pattern and also can reuse that expression in extraction. Not only a regular expression, I think can also use in other instance, and that it can actually can reuse something in the first step in testing or whatever. So, okay, thank you very much for listening to my sharing of Python experience today. Thank you, and hope to talk to you again later. Again, wishing you a very happy Easter Monday today.